every one of you have taken down the statement? Okay. So try to write down the synonyms on your statement. Have you understood the statement? Everyone? हाँ जी, क्या समझ में आया?
चिल्ड्रन को स्कूल में कंप्यूटर और इंटरनेट इम्पोर्टेंट है। कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि ये टीचर स्टूडेंट्स को स्टडी करनी चाहिए प्रॉपर वे के साथ में टीचर के साथ। आप दोनों
all right, that's true. Some people think computers and the internet. So the keyword is computer and the internet. Computers and internet are important in children's study, but उलट साइड जेडे दूसरे लोग ने another section of society or the opponents, they think students can learn effectively or better in schools and teachers. But then we have to discuss both the views and give your own opinion. Here examiner has not asked which of the statement or which of the school of thought do you agree with. सानू दोनों aspects या दोनों views discuss करने पाएंगे. Okay. To begin with the synonyms, some people, number of times I have repeated, few individuals, some multitudes, and a segment of society, a part of society, think, opine, or you can say hold the opinion, assert, argue, state, ponder, and so on. Computers and the internet. What will you write for this? Electronic devices. Do not write, just concentrate on the board. Gadgets. What else? With the help of web and other devices, e-platform, online method, computer you can also write screen with an internet connection. Is that okay? I hope I am audible to all. Computer and the internet are important in children's study. What will you write for? Important, vital, crucial, significant, necessary, imperative, and few others. In children's study, what will you write for children? Scholars, marker ताने एक और लेके आना black वाला. Learners, pupils, minors, youngsters, and so on. Youngsters study. What will you write for study? Education, true. Education. What else? Learning. Grasping knowledge or knowledge exclusively you can write. Guidance. See, already I have repeated number of times. Whenever statement 2, writing task 2 statement comes in front of you, you must fill the entire statement with as many synonyms as you know. This is the basics of your task 2. This is what the vocabulary is. There is no other way of learning. You get thick booklets from each and every institute whichever you join, but those books lie abandoned in your room, I know. You don't ever go back and try to touch them or try to read them. This is only for the initial couple of days when you get admitted to some institute. You just go through those books, otherwise the dust, it starts accumulating on those books and they lie as it is. So the best way to do the synonyms is whenever, every day when you do task 2 on your own, you must write all the synonyms whether your teacher is taking up those synonyms in the class or not. This is the way to do in the examination hall as well. Invest initial 3 to 4 or 5 minutes including brainstorming and building the framework of the task 2 in the examination hall. That will avoid you to go off topic. And then third thing which I have told you, your points, make a small box, write bullet points in that. Fine. So then, what will you write for but? However, whilst, while, whereas, and other synonyms. Others. Others, opponents. Hanji, what else? Remaining. Another school of thought. What else? Remaining individuals or the other segment of society. Think, same synonyms I have already given, students synonyms I have given. They can learn, they can grasp, they can acquire knowledge and so on. Yes. Effectively, what will you write for effectively? Better. Better. More efficiently. Due to shortage of space, I am writing them here down. More efficiently. What else? Properly. Okay, any other? In schools and with teachers. Okay, synonyms for teachers. Teachers. Mentor. Mind you, it is not mental, it is mentor. Mentor. Your tutor. What else? Your trainer. Okay, anything else?
Coach.
Your coach. Professor, lecturer, but that comes at the university and the college level. Okay, anything else? Any other synonym which is missed? School. Okay, schools. Learning centers or hubs. Institutions. Colleges. Coaching centers. Educational hubs or the educational institutions. There are a number of other choices. So this is all what are the synonyms. Those who are watching my video, they can pause the video and thereafter they can jot down all the synonyms. And those who are taking my live class, please have a look at the synonyms and I hope you have jotted down along with me. Is that okay? Have you all understood? Sure? Any doubt up till here? No. So now we'll begin with the points. आप रफ में बॉक्स बना के दोनों एस्पेक्ट के पॉइंट्स लिखो कि हाउ कोचिंग और स्टडी विद द इंटरनेट एंड कंप्यूटर इज बेटर एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड हाउ कम स्कूल्स एंड टीचर्स आर मोर एफिशिएंट इन टीचिंग स्टूडेंट्स. राइट इट डाउन. इज दिस डन? I hope it is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will discuss them in two sections and you will have to frame two body paragraphs for that. Okay. Now again get back to the board. Some people think that the computers and internet are important in children's study. So can you please try some opening line for body paragraph 1?
Computers in a solar cell. Necessity of computers and internet in a solar cell.
Okay, to commence with the significance of electronic devices and internet in learning. If you don't want to write that, you can also write in pupils' life or education or academics, choice is yours. कि इस पैराग्राफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਐਂਡ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਦੀ ਕੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਨ ਫੈਕਟ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ we'll begin with the points now. What is first point regarding the importance of the internet and computer?
They can do study with their course, also with their work, and they have flexible time to do studies from any corner of the world.
Okay, first and foremost, internet, or you can also write World Wide Web, it provides you vast knowledge. It's a big ocean of knowledge, internet. So whatever information scholars seek from the internet or from the web, they get it with single click, and that too within a fraction of a second. Whereas it is not possible to study as many books as one wants, or if you want to enhance your knowledge regarding a particular topic, those number of books are not possible to be kept in the library of a school. And in fact, teacher has also a limited knowledge, whereas internet has got no limits, internet has got no boundaries, no limits. Whereas knowledge of every human being is limited, but internet provides you vast information, vast knowledge regarding each and every topic of each and every subject. Okay, so second point which will mention regarding the importance of internet is it provides you the flexibility of the hours of your study. You can study anywhere, anytime on the entire globe. Whereas there has to be, or there are fixed number of hours in in school for the learning process. Whereas internet provides you the flexibility of the hours and you can get the information anywhere, anytime you want to. There is no limit or there is no fixed timetable. Is that okay? Okay. So let's come to the point third. Each and every type of information is updated in the internet. Up-to-date knowledge regarding each and every topic is given in the internet, whereas books, they are old when they get printed, and even if they get updated, it is almost a year or a couple of years later. Let's say any book regarding science and technology that has to be updated very soon, but that is not possible, so that information is updated, information is available on the internet on every topic. Is that true? Any other point you want to mention regarding the importance of screen and internet?
In this technological era, everyone have to become techno-savvy because computer is used.
If you want to, I'm going to interrupt you. If you want to mention any example in this body paragraph, you can also give the importance of the internet and the computer with the help of that COVID pandemic, because it is a contactless study. You can study in an online method, whereas when all the schools they got locked down and candidates or scholars they were not even allowed to go to school, and their studies they were not compromised. They continued with their studies in an online method. So this method is very efficient, and this is where the importance of computer and the internet in the present scenario or contemporary era we can see. समझते हैं कि कोविड पेंडेमिक जो आया, सारे स्कूल्स दे वर लॉक डाउन, स्टूडेंट्स और स्कॉलर्स दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू गो टू स्कूल, स्कूल जाना अलाउड नहीं सी, कॉन्टैक्ट दे विच आना अलाउड नहीं सी, एक कॉन्टैक्टलेस है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द चिल्ड्रन हु आर स्टडिंग इन kindergarten or the junior kindergarten or the low kindergarten, LKG or UKG or standard. Think about those scholars who are studying in 10th standard or 12th standard. Those have to appear in their board examinations, and even it is not the board examinations, the study gets compromised, or the knowledge ही पूरी half रह जाएगी if they do not continue with their studies. 12th का syllabus नहीं करेंगे, what will they do in their professional courses? जे इंटरनेट ते कंप्यूटर ना हुंदा, हजे भी जेडे रिमोट एरियाज जिथे नहीं है उथे बच्चों की स्टडी बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइज होएगी. So this is where the importance of computer and internet lies. Okay, you can note down the points if you want to. Fast. And now you will, in body paragraph 2, you will have to think of the importance of a teacher and the educational center. Is it okay? Okay. So fine, we'll begin with the significance or the importance of schools and tutor or a mentor. Fine. So your body paragraph 2 is regarding the importance of schools plus mentor or your tutor. Okay. हाँ जी, की इम्पोर्टेंस है या why it is that बच्चे बेहतर स्कूल्स ते टीचर्स नाल पढ़ सकते हैं. How come?
स्कूल से जो है डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना सिखाया जाता है ताकि वो बढ़िया इंटरेक्ट करके अपने टीचर से ना ते वो बढ़िया गाइडेंस उन्हें मिलती है. अपने मिस्टेक्स भी
Correct, very correct. So all in all, I will club it under one point, and I will rather write, in schools children can learn many different skills, which includes the communication skills, which includes the teamwork, which includes the discipline, which includes the confidence, and many other skills which are important in the life of a child in order to become a responsible citizen of the सोसाइटी. इस करके स्कूल्स दे विच बहुत अलग अलग डिफरेंट स्किल्स जो कि मैं पहला दसियां वो बच्चों को सिखाईਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ which is not possible to be learnt with the help of any electronic gadget. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਲੈਪਟਾਪ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਟੈਬਲੇਟ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ we can never become disciplined, we can never build confidence in ourselves, we can never learn communication skills. ਕੋਈ ਵੀ skills ਆਪਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ because these can be learned once a child interacts with the others or come in contact with other teachers and their peers, or you can say their friends. समझ आया? Is that clear? कि बच्चा स्कूल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अलग-अलग skills ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ पेंटिंग ਸਿੱਖੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, म्यूजिक ਸਿੱਖਾ, because these are the mandatory and the important subjects in a school. Is that okay? Okay. Secondly, children they get knowledge regarding many other subjects which are compulsory or mandatory in the curriculum of a school. Example, can you exemplify anything here? Okay, to exemplify, nowadays environmental studies, or in other words you say EVS, environmental studies have become a compulsory subject in schools and even up till grade 10. This is to aware the children about the environmental problems at a tender age. I repeat my point. This is why this environmental studies is added as a subject even up till higher classes, is to, for what? Yes, is to create or generate awareness among scholars at a tender age. Let's say there is a problem of water scarcity in most of the states in India, but if the environmental studies as a subject is not added in the curriculum of the candidates or the scholars, they will never get to know what the water scarcity is and what are the reasons behind that. Is that okay? So, all these things, they are not a part of mandatory subject or curriculum in case of any electronic device. These are the optional things and the child, if he or she wants to enhance his or her knowledge in physics, chemistry or mathematics, and that will be in that particular domain only. But in schools, subjects of these kind are mandatory, which helps to generate or create awareness among the masses or the candidates at a very tender age, which is very significant in life. ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਸਬਜੈਕਟਸ ਦੀ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ এনवायरमेंट ਦੇ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂਡੇਟਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਐਕੈਡੈਮਿਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਸਿਲੇਬਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਸਕੂਲ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਆ which is not possible with the help of any internet connection or computer, because computer will never force you to study a subject. Is that okay? It's just a device. Whatever information you would like to see, that information will be displayed on the computer. That's it. Is that okay? Okay. Now, third thing, this is the importance of schools. So, we'll mention 1 or 2 points regarding the importance of a tutor or a mentor. What do the teachers do? The teachers, they help to simplify the topics which students study. They make and they explain their topics in a simpler way, which the candidates or the scholars or the children, they can understand easily, because computer is not gonna speak and make it more simpler and gonna solve your queries instantaneously. Is that okay? Even if you click one word, very vast information regarding that word will be displayed on the internet. But whatever is required, I mean to say, access of information would be provided to you, but the teacher in a very smart way will try to cut short the information and impart the knowledge whatever is required at your end. जो थोड़ी requirement है या जिन्हें तो knowledge impart करनी टीचर ने वही करेगा तो बड़े सिंपल ढंग नाल करेगा and children will find it easy. Otherwise computer से उन्हें बहुत मुश्किल लगेगा कोई भी topic. One thing more, even if you like, you can mention that point, but for your knowledge sake, I am going to tell you, teachers also help to generate interest of the candidates in their studies and also help to focus in their studies. Teacher का की role है? Teacher बच्चा का way explain कर सकता है. Teacher can also give 1 or 2 examples in the class और बच्चा का focus जेड़ा है उस subject ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਧੇਗਾ और properly concentrate करके उस topic ਨੂੰ और उस subject ਨੂੰ पढ़ पाएंगे, while reading continuously on a screen and a computer becomes very boring for each and every human being. समझ आया? Is that good? Understood it well? Yes. Okay. So, if they have asked opinion as I told you in my previous videos also I have told you, give opinion in conclusion, And one of the candidates yesterday asked me that if opinion is asked and we have to give it in the conclusion, what is the way to start that? You can write your conclusion and opinion by writing conclusively, I opine that, or you can also write conclusively, I personally believe that. Is that okay? So this is the way to write opinion. I hope that you have understood this task well. I have tried my level best to give you more and more of points, and do take care of the word limit when you jot down your task too. Is that okay? Any other doubt, any other query you want to ask? Okay. So if you have liked my video, spectators are requested to like my video, and please do press the subscribe button if you have liked my video.